Hello, 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 people. It's King Zeno. I'm here to show you how to cook. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna show you some of my stuff. So first, these are all the different things that I'm gonna be using, different ingredients. So I got avocados, I got eggs. A Muslim's favorite. Muslims love this stuff. No disrespect to the Muslim, but they love it. They love this stuff right here. Not really. I got some Yogi tea. We'll have a tea party later on. And I got some vegan organics. But I ain't about to really cook any of that shit, really. I got some other stuff that I'm ready to cook actually today. And it's gonna be some of the shit that you rarely get this shit right here. But this right here, I can cook better pancakes than IHOP, any restaurant you go to. I'm giving you the secret recipe on it. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm telling you, watch. I'm about to show you. This shit gonna be beautiful. Stay tuned. Watch. So yeah, we basically got a classic eggs and bacon breakfast. But don't get it confused. Breakfast is any time of the day. When you live in the South, it don't matter. Or really wherever you are. You know, right now it's 12 o'clock and I'm having eggs, bacon, and pancakes. Now the thing, what I do to put a twist on mine is totally different. Now, I've never seen anybody really do it. That's why I need you to pay attention to how I make my breakfast. It's very sinister how I do it. Make it very beautiful though. Very beautiful at the same time. So keep your eyes open and watch how I lay this down. For real. Lay it down. Watch this. We'll just keep me and you. We focus. We one. Watch. Keep your eyes on. First, heat your stove up to about medium. For those of you who like to go straight to high, you can do it, but come back on medium. Get your Land O'Lakes butter, not much, and just drop it in there, let it melt to coat the pan. Now, you want to add your eggs along with the cheeses inside. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful stuff right there. So scrumptious. Woo. And guys, another little ingredient that I like to add to it is chopped up garlic and a little pepper. So just add that right on in there. I'm talking about it gives it lots of flavor, all right? Now, after you get through making your eggs, you want to add some lovely kale. I usually like to do one at a time instead of just throwing everything together. And I'm just gonna use some Himalayan salt for this, not too much. Some Himalayan salt to go on top of that. So kale. And ladies and gentlemen, dun, 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 this is where the magic happens. Bam! Straight Italiano. You see that? Italiano. That's that real deal, man. And what you want to do is just equally, not too much, just a little. Alright, you got that right there. And you want to get your Himalayan. Like I said, it don't take too much. Get your Himalayan salt and just give it a little dash in it, man. Just a little. You don't want to put all that table salt on it. Himalayan's got a real good flavor. I don't know why more people don't cook with it. Just come on, look at that. Just okay, that's enough. Got a little carried away. Yeah. Now, let me tell you something. No Southern meal is gonna be complete without the big fat, greasy, juicy. See, us Southern people, we like stuff thick and juicy and fat. Look at that. Just look at that fatness, gelatinous. That's fatness, gelatinous right there. Look at that. It's just like, it's my masterpiece. When I'm cooking, I'm like Dr. Frankenstein, you know. It's like my creation. So, yeah, definitely want to have that fatness, gelatinous, and yeah, the meal is almost done. So I hope y'all been watching this and learn. Like the video, subscribe, and all that good shit. So keep your eyes open. There's still much more cooking. Now you want to add your pancake batter to your buttered skillet, right? You want to add your thyme on your bacon. That's right, I said it. Thyme, bacon. Say it with me. Thyme, bacon. You want to put that on top. You want to add your product, people. Finished product. And look here. Let me show you what you're supposed to do with this right here. Let me show you what you're supposed to do with this pistol. Pistol. Come forth. Pistol. Oh yeah. Spread that pistol out. And I like a lot of that shit. A lot of pistol. Ay, 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 pistol. And look at this beautiful Southern Baptist pancake right here. This is a beautiful pancake. This is the kind of pancake you want to take on a date, and you get this beautiful. Oh God, oh, and just don't even worry about it. Just keep pouring. Just pour. Look at all that. Look at that. You know how when a volcano erupts and the molten lava. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I want to touch it. Oh shit. Could be hot. So you gotta be careful. Look at that. That is a beautiful, and look, you might be wondering what you want to do to get this for your kale. Just to and look at this Southern bastard bacon right here. This is what happens when you're the only child and you ain't got a daddy. This is Southern bastard bacon right here. I'm telling you, this is at least I probably cooked about a half a pack of bacon. Look at that. And what I did was I sizzled that thyme onto my bacon. But there you have it. It's a beautiful meal. Oh gosh. Somebody please stop me. Yes, that's gonna be a very good meal for me to eat. Again, a Southern pancake, bacon and egg, bastard bacon. Oh gosh, you can't get enough of it. You know, like, share, subscribe. I'm telling you, I got more videos. I got videos for everything. I'm gonna have videos on like herbal teas and all kinds of stuff. Like I'm more or less trying to send out positive vibes to people. So I'm gonna have some videos on, like I said, who knows what I got planned for the future. But definitely stay tuned with me. I got a lot of information I want to share. It's like I've been keeping all this stuff to myself. So yeah, and also, you know, I'm into fitness, so fitness is good. That's why I got the eats. But y'all, I just gotta get y'all to see this one more again. Look at this beautiful stuff. Look at that beautifulness. It's so beautiful. It's an aerial view. Look at that. Anyway, like, subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day. Until next time.